Hi there, folks, and welcome to the What Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, issue number 335. So, in our first story from the world of business, so Starbucks' new chief executive has been offered the use of a corporate jet for his 1,000-mile commute to work. Now, how many miles is this CEO expected to travel by corporate jet per year? Well, it's 1,000 miles per day, and he's expected to work 3 days a week. So we would multiply that by three, and that's how many miles he would travel per week. There's obviously then 52 weeks in a year, so if we multiply that figure by 52, we get a final answer of 156,000. Okay, so I love this second story from the local authority Inverclyde. 10 sets of twins starting primary school. And that's unbelievable. But what's even more unbelievable is that there's been 157 sets of twins in the region since 2013. So how many pupils who have a twin brother or sister have went to school in Inverclyde since 2013? Well, obviously we have to multiply the 157 by 2 to get an answer of 314 pupils. So second part, what do we get when we divide our answer by 100? So 314 divided by 100, move everything down 2 place values, and it comes to 3.14. So do we notice anything particularly mathematical about our answer to part B? Well, if you manage to say that 3.14 is pi rounded to 2 decimal places, very well done. Right, I love this next science story. So primary school pupils should have the chance to eat ice lollies, according to a group of experts, to help them learn about science. And I think you should definitely be telling your teacher about this story and saying, well, why can we not eat an ice lolly then? But anyway, you've got to prove how much you love them with this next challenge. Here are the top 10 most popular UK ice lollies in the UK. I wonder how many of them you can work out. So number one, we've got 2 times 10, which is 20, which corresponds in the alphabet to the letter T. So the most popular UK ice lolly, and no wonder it's Twister. Right, number 2, square root of 36 is 6, which corresponds to F. And if you got fab, then you're doing fab so far. So number 3, we've got minus 15, add 34 and an eighth of 40. That's going to give us an S and an E. So that one was actually Celerial Exotic, and you needed to have the 2 bits to get the right answer. So number 4, we've got 3 and 15, so C and O, and that of course is going to be Calippo Orange. Number 5, unlucky for some, is 13, which is M, so that gives us Magnum. Number 6, 24 divided by 4 is 6, which gives us an F, so that's going to be a Feast. So number 7, 2 times unlucky for some, so 2 times 13, which is 26, which is Z, and of course that's Zoom. We've then got a baker's dozen, which is 13, and the 6th prime number, which is also 13, so that's going to be an M and an M, so we were looking for mini milk there. So number 9, we've got a 6 and a 16, so that's an F and a P, so that is fruit pastel. And number 10, we've got a 14 and a 2, so that's an N and a B, probably the best name ever for an ice lolly. That's Knobbly Bobbly, and well done for every single one of them that you got right. Okay, so on to our final story from the world of finance. The energy cap is going up by 10% from October. A boring story, but a very important story to point out that these energy bills are creeping up again. So by how much is the average annual dual fuel bill set to rise by? Well, it's 10% of 1,568, so we need to divide that by 10 to get £156.80. So what's the average annual dual fuel bill going to be from October? Well, we have to add that rise on to what it currently is. That gives us a final answer of £1,724.80. There we have it, folks, our What Solutions for this week. We hope you enjoyed solving these problems, and stay tuned for next week's edition when we're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.